Hey, anybody want a boot?
Oh my god, I want a boot!
As you can see, this boot is very nice. Someone just stole my boot. Oh, right.
What is up, Crown Vic Crew and fellow airsofters? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, this is not a video about my car whatsoever. As I mentioned before in previous videos, I'm going to start bringing airsoft into my channel a lot more. Mainly the reason is because I go every single weekend. It's something I really enjoy doing, and every time I go I always get hours and hours of footage when we go out and play. So you know, the times where the weather is just not, you know, on my side, I can't really go out and make a video about my car. I can, you know, upload an airsoft video, so that way, you know, I don't go a couple days without uploading a video. At least you guys will have something to watch. And airsoft is very enjoyable. You guys will see here, we're about to play bomb. If you guys play Call of Duty Rainbow Six Siege, you know what it is: plant the bomb, defuse the bomb. We are on the side where we have to plant the bomb first, and we completely destroy the opposite team. I think it was like 20 on 20, something close to that. As you guys can see, a lot of people here. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that you will start to see a lot more airsoft pop up on my channel from time to time. But don't worry, car videos are not going anywhere. Crown Vic videos are not going anywhere. I should have a video uploaded hopefully very soon once the weather starts clearing up. But anyway, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump into it.
Yes.
Boogie ball.
2018 Alright.
Oh shit, it's pretty cool.
What the hell?
That's cool.
This shit is real. Closing it! It's gonna go off! Alright, everybody, let's get ready to rumble! 5, 3, 2, 1, go! On the right way. The arm is this bomb! Alright. Bomb can be planted, RTD. Bomb can be planted. Stage on the one in the room with us where you
Alright guys, so because of copyright issues and the music they had playing in the background, I can't run the audio through this clip. It's only through this game mode that they played music in the arena, so the other game modes you guys will see, I won't have to trim out clips, but just through this one I have to talk over it. But as you guys can see, our bomb carrier to the left right there, we're fighting off the enemy team, trying to push them through these doors right here. The room that we need to get into is actually right down this hallway. As you can see, I'm laying down some suppressive fire to try to get our team through these doors, which we do work out successfully. I try to go around and get some people from behind, try to catch them off guard, but they were all really packed in there down that hallway because they knew we were pushing up. At this point right here, we were destroying the enemy team. They were, for the most part, held back at their spawn. We had teammates on the left side, and then a lot of our team was focused in this area right here, because this is where we had to push up. As you guys see right there, there's the room just up ahead where we need to push up. I'm making sure there's nobody in there. Got a teammate right there scoping out the area. And you guys will see we rush the room very soon, and then we hold it down for the 1 minute and 30 seconds, and we plant the bomb successfully, as you guys will see.
Right here, right here.
I'm gonna run right through here.
Alright, a second. Alright, we got a bunch. Friendly in the room. Push up, we gotta push up. Friendly's in the room. Push up, push up. Go, 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 go. It ain't go, it ain't go, 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 go.
Watch the left side. Cover the side right here.
Push forward. There's a ton of us. Go.
Okay, so as you guys can see here, we rush the room. The bomb has been planted. He actually planted it in the wrong spot. He is actually supposed to put it on the X. You guys will see him move it over in a little bit. But we got quite a few people in here, our teammates. We got about like 7-8 people. But you see they start getting taken out one by one. The enemy team starts getting us by angles. I lay down, as you guys can see here, lay down to suppressive fire so we can hold it for the 1 minute and 30 seconds to get that victory.
Oh, he wasn't a man. Fuck me. Hey, come from this side. Watch this door. He just got shot at. That's what I'm talking about, boys! What's up? Grenade? Grenade! Quick! Quick! Go! Right behind you. I got three. Good shit. That just push up to a bomb. We'll mark it up. You're welcome for that round. Woo! That shit wasn't fucking. Yeah, I couldn't even. It was my best game. Couldn't record that. My SD card. You don't like it. Distracted me, and I got shot me out like. Oh. I'm just going right behind everybody with a bomb.
Alright guys, so this footage you're about to see here is actually our turn to try and stop them from planting the bomb. We actually beat them so quick that the ref said, let's just do another game because you guys just won so quick. Someone actually rushed into their spawn, killed the bomb carrier, grabbed the bomb, and brought it back to our spawn. That is how we have to win. One of the ways we have to win. We can kill the bomb carrier, take the bomb, bring it to our spawn, or if they plant it, we would have to deactivate it, wipe everybody out in that room, hold that room down, and deactivate the bomb. That is also how we would win, but we didn't even have to do that because someone just killed the bomb carrier and they took the bomb to spawn. So you guys will see it here. I'm going to shut up and enjoy.
I want you to want me too!
What?
Yep. Impacts count. Everyone's in the square.
We have to go after that main room where they're going to drop the bomb.
All the pussies. Just kick them right in the pussy.
10 people hoard that room, man, and just sit.
Hey, by the way, the bomb's in the same room that we took, guys.
Just have no guns back. Hi, guys.
Is
that a Hero 5, sir? Yeah, I got it. Do you have a lot of YouTube subscribers or not?
I don't have a YouTube. I just recorded.
Zero. You do? You?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. How many?
7,000.
7,000. No shit. Yeah. No, I can't say anything. Camera shot.
Yeah.
Cutting in again, but as you guys can see, it's really cool. Everyone comes up to it and talks. That's why one of the reasons why I love Airsoft. You know, this arena that we go isn't really that local. It's a bit a ways away, but you know, no matter where we go, if it's our local arena, anywhere, everyone's so cool. They always come up to you, talk to you. As you guys can see, those people were you know, asking for me for my YouTube and stuff like that, which I actually gave a couple people my YouTube channel name, so hopefully they subscribed. But anyway, yeah, as you guys can see, it's just really awesome. You know, you sit and talk to people, talk about your guns and stuff like that. It's just really cool. It's a really cool environment to be in, and it's just awesome. It's an awesome sport. I would definitely recommend it to anybody who wants to try to get into it or is kind of on the edge. Definitely go out and play Airsoft. You meet some really cool people, and it's just all overall a lot of fun. So as you guys can see here, we're gonna wrap up talking. I'll probably have to skip through this because we actually just sit in intermission for like 5 minutes, but I'm gonna skip through it and get to the actual game.
So it's back more.
Ready? I don't know what you're saying.
There's like only, I think,
Push that room. Push that room, Ryan, left side.
What? You see one right here, ready? You see a shadow. He just came to the right side. He's on the other side. Now you guys want to show up? Want to take my bipod off?
Now he fucking comes back out.
That's when people don't call that hit.
Oh, yeah? I found it and I took it from you!
He took it.
Taking the bomb from them! Taking your bomb! That's awesome, dude! You get a bomb, bro? Yeah, I found it, I stole it, dude!
I didn't even fire a single shot that round.
y'all want to run it again?
Yeah!
Everybody hit that one day. You guys want to run it again?
Alright, so the plan is to get to the bomb room and hold it off. Yep. Okay. Multiple rooms, not one. So one. Alright, boys, you got this. Go, 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 go!
Alright, so here, as you guys can see, I'm doing the same tactic as I did the first game. We had to defuse or capture the bomb, just laying down suppressive fire down this hallway, so that, you know, the enemies would see the BBs coming, they would kind of get back. As you guys can see, through the camera angle, you might not be able to see people, but there were people down there, and just me firing BBs down there would hold them back a little bit, but you can see that I do leave this area after a while because we have so many teammates over here. I just wanted to get around and see if I can actually get somebody, because I was just laying down suppressive fire for most of the game just so our teammates could win, but I wanted to go and tag some people as well, so I kind of move around here. As you guys can see, I'll get out of this area and start to move around a little bit more.
Right behind you, Mirai. Teammate ball. You got hit?
Yeah, let her.
So as you guys will see here, it doesn't really look like I'm shooting at someone because of the camera. I can't zoom in, so it's kind of hard to pick up some people because they're hiding in such small corners. But as you guys see, this kid behind me actually gets hit. He'll call his hit just any minute now. So there are people down there. As you guys can see, he just got hit. So the camera might not pick up the people. So there are times we'll see the people, but sometimes they hide in little cracks and corners, so you really can't see them all that well. Sometimes it looks like I'm shooting at nothing, but there really is people there, trust me. Alright guys, so to prove my point, you guys will see me, I actually get hit by somebody that's hiding somewhere behind those tires in such a tight angle, you just can't pick it up with the camera. Next time I go, I'm definitely going to angle the camera down a little bit more so you guys can kind of get a bigger depth field of view. But anyway, our teammate does end up killing the bomb carrier again and bringing it into our spawn, which equals a victory. And because it was under 5 minutes and we beat him so quick again, the ref said, hey, just play team deathmatch for the rest of the remainder. But anyway, I'm going to cut the video here. I hope you guys did enjoy. I definitely have a lot more footage to play through, a lot more better footage. This one was more kind of stay back and kind of defend. That's kind of what I like to do in, you know, the bomb game mode. I don't really like to rush too much, but other game modes I rush around, TDM, you know, King of the Hill, stuff like that. So if you guys enjoyed, definitely leave a like, and you guys will definitely see a lot more Airsoft videos, a lot better produced ones. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel, if you like Airsoft, and I will see all of you guys in the next one.